I still remember that day in November of 2022 when ChatGPT first launched. It was this new tool that was buzzing around the internet, and I thought I'd give it a try. I tried a few prompts here and there, writing some emails, writing some essays, just see what it's all about. I didn't understand it entirely at first, but little did I know that it'll be one of the most important tools and one of the most important products of the decade. What I thought it was just a generative AI tool that could remix text and write essays and format documents for you, but turns out today it's a lot more than that. It can write code. People are making games on it. People are doing research on it, writing entire research proposals, studies, business proposals. And today, it's my most used web application. I can't go a day without using ChatGPT. Now, the public opinion of what generative AI was something different in 2022, and what it is right now is completely transformed. Back then, it was seen as a tool to remix text, videos, maybe create a few photos here and there, and people were using it for creative pursuits like making songs. Now, it's taking over the whole content game. Just take a look at this image. Jensen is explaining the roadmap to AI's development. For the past 2 years, we saw a big development in generative AI. You can now produce photorealistic photos and video, write songs, and maybe even write a research paper. But as you can see in the graphic, we're already heading into the next phase of Agentic AI. What lies ahead of us will not only redefine industries, but fundamentally reshape our society. Let's explore what this means for all of us. Think of an AI agent as an ultra-competitive colleague who seems to have perfect knowledge of your life, including every email, conversation, and decision, but feels distinctly separate rather than an extension of yourself. It can perform tasks, and you can even ask it to achieve a set goal. It's almost like you're delegating your work to the smartest assistant the world has ever seen every single day, all the time. And it never sleeps either, so you can automate tasks even when you're asleep and wake up to them being done in the morning. I can see whole enterprises using this to their benefit, and man, it's gonna shake up the industry big time. Sam Altman joked in a tweet that they now use an AI agent that helps YC partners read through applications, and it may take their jobs before blue-collar jobs. That's pretty scary stuff. OpenAI recently launched Operator, an AI agent that can perform tasks for you, and it launches a browser in the app so that the user can see exactly what it's doing. Google recently announced Project Mariner, a Chrome extension that you can use to automate tasks. Check this video out.
You can ask it to do things like this that require multiple steps. Doing research to look up the artist, then finding the painting, and then shopping for the right supplies. The agent uses the web to take action and find what you're looking for. It plans and reasons at each step, always staying in your control and completing your task.
This opens up so many possibilities. With an AI agent like this to do all the mechanical work, it will free up so much time spent on repetitive tasks so that we can focus on more interesting and innovative problem solving. Seems like every company is going all in for AI agents in 2025, and it's the new buzzword on the horizon. Microsoft's Azure AI Copilot can perform tasks based on your code and does everything from sending email updates, completing troubleshooting tasks, and even makes a reimbursement payment with your approval. But everything doesn't seem so rosy, does it? Technology like this comes with a lot of ethical concerns. Nobody knows how many jobs it will displace or how it will disrupt the entire job market, because believe it or not, a lot of jobs do involve a lot of repetitive tasks that can be automated. People were pretty scared about privacy back in 2016 and 2017, but now it's just taken for granted. So what are the privacy concerns with Agentic AI? If we give it control over all our data, is that doing more harm than good? And in that case, who's going to be accountable? Who's going to be accountable when the AI agent does harm to a person's career, or leaks data to somebody else, or sends a compromising email that ruins a business? Can we hold the AI accountable, or are we holding the person initiating the transaction accountable? Who knows? There's a lot of hashes to mark out. But what we can't deny is that Agentic AI seems to have unlimited potential. It's going to 5x, 10x, 15x, or even 100x somebody's productivity, and people can perform a myriad of tasks in a very short amount of time. I wish to see how big this becomes and how people start using it and the new solutions that are deployed. It almost seems like every single day now. Now, the key lies in guiding this technology with foresight, addressing ethical dilemmas, and ensuring equitable access. By doing so, we can harness AI agents as catalysts for a better, more sustainable future. So, what do you think? Do you think AI agents will take over the world, disrupt the entire job market, and leave us all jobless? Or do you see it as a tool for making people even more productive so that we can focus on what really matters, getting the work done?